Hey guys, at Ham Park Level Crossing in East Sussex is Michael and Harvey. We wasn't expecting that.
You should say it
I'm not even going to say we're going on the bridge because, like, there's no point.
It's better if I go up in my ears. Here. Let's hope that stop raining.
Oh god.
I suppose you look that way, I'll look this way.
Deal. Oh god, kids coming.
It is actually. They should have to stand there.
Oh.
Just like, tell me when that train got to like, the station bit.
Right. Is it Harvey 377?
Yeah, 377. It looked like a 3 on 377.
Oh, sorry, I'm pretty tired. So I try and make him jump. Go on. I'm gonna make him jump. Three 77201. And up they go. See you next.